How to embed YouTube videos on Wix. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to embed a YouTube video on Wix, simply open up your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site. And once you open up the Wix website editor, so this is our Wix website editor, we're going to wait for this to be loaded up completely. So once this has been loaded up completely, you can click on Add Elements on the top left bar. Once you click on Add Elements, you can scroll down and you will see multiple different options. So you have text embedding, you also have image embedding. However, if you want to include a YouTube video, you're going to go into video and music on the left panel. So once you click on video and music on the left panel, you're just going to click on the single video players and you can click on YouTube, and then this will just create your YouTube video embed. Now you can create some empty space or a empty section for you to insert your YouTube video to. So if I want to insert it on the top right above my Wix gallery, I can click on Add Elements and we can go on ahead and just add a empty section. So you can even go into the pre-existing section. So let's say we want to build it like this. I'm just going to insert this section over here, and then I can embed my YouTube video on the right side of this section like this. I'm going to attach it in this column, and in the background I'm just going to delete that. So once we have inserted our YouTube video section, we can click on the settings of this, and then you can even search for videos, or if you have your YouTube video in mind, you can just go on ahead and add the URL of your YouTube video. So I'll take this video over here, copy this, and paste it over here. Now after that, you have some basic options such as your autoplays or play in a loop. Let's say I want to play this in a loop, or I want to autoplay this video. So once we've done that, we can just click on publish over here. And if we click on view site, so once our publishing has been completed, I'll show you guys what our YouTube video looks like in our Wix website. So this is our YouTube video that has been inserted into our Wix website.